Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my most recent purchase, so stay tuned for this video. So by the title of the video you may know I've recently bought a Keepall 45 from Louis Vuitton. So it's going to be the unboxing of it. So it came in this very large Louis Vuitton bag, no seasonal bag there, just the standard colour with blue handles. I'll just put that down as that's not the main event. I have opened this one just to make sure everything was in it, but tried to be packaged as I can, but it did come with like a little bowl. And it's in quite a large box, so if we start off and pull down across here, the whole thing slides off pretty easily without having to undo the bowl, which I quite like keeping just for when you've got it on display. Move that out. You've got Louis Vuitton across the top of the box, and the box itself is quite actually handy for storing other items if you wish. It's got a little flap at the bottom, so you can lift that up. And it reveals this gigantic dust bag. So I pop this out quickly. While we're here, I've noticed in some videos if you pull these little blue tabs in there, that allows, there's one at each side, sorry if you can kind of see, that helps pull the box flat if you're wanting it for storage, to keep it flat, but I'll just keep it as is at the moment. This is the dust bag here, it said Louis Vuitton again on it, and it's one of the largest dust bags I've got to date. So we pull it out, it does come obviously quite flat. I've not actually used this bag yet. I bought it when I was on holiday a couple of weeks ago, and it's just kind of been in storage since. So inside it's got all the items it comes with, so I'll just pull them out. And it still smells pretty interesting in there. It's not the best smelling. So this is the Monogram Eclipse canvas. As you can see, it's got the black leather on the handles and down the sides there and all the way across the print. I thought it's quite a masculine looking bag, and that's kind of why I fancied it over the standard monogram. I'll do another video on where I got it, but I'll just quickly show you what I've got. So this is a little kind of pouch you get with Louis Vuitton. You've got the little padlock in this little cardboard box here. So you've got the keys, a little bit of tissue paper, and there's the LV kind of in like a matte chrome look, if I focus in on the camera. Hopefully you guys can see that there. So that'll go in this little dust bag, which is pretty cute, and then the back of it says Louis Vuitton Paris. So put that in there with its keys. Got the bandolier strap. So that's meant to designed, and it's got a bit of a rotating feature again. It's kind of like a darkened chrome. It says Louis Vuitton on the hardware. It's a bit hard to see. I'll insert some videos of that in a second. And you've got the adjustment with the buckle going across, so you can clip that to either end. Of the bag, and you can have that like crossbody style. Obviously there's nothing in the bag at once, it keeps collapsing, but that's the idea. And then I've got my little Louis Vuitton travel luggage that I'm going to get hot stamped when I can the next time I'm at a Louis Vuitton shop. Obviously with the coronavirus situation it may be another couple of months away, but my ideal would get like initials or something on this little piece itself. Just that way you can get a bit of personalisation. And again that says Louis Vuitton Paris on the rear, if you can kind of see. There we go. And I'll put some wee shots of my bag on display just so you can get some good angles of it, but it's quite a handy size. Didn't particularly want the larger 55 just because I thought that was a little bit too big. I thought the 45 is a bit more ideal size, and I thought if I'm going to be travelling something you can take on the plane or in the boot of the car if you're going overnight somewhere. Take a little look at the piece. So there's the kind of close up on the side there. The little buckles, wee dots there, I've got Louis Vuitton on them themselves. And everybody in the videos always goes on about the zippers. I may as well just show you guys. Zipped up, pretty nice and sturdy there. You can wear it across the shoulder like so. I think some people I've seen on Instagram have it crossbody, which is not doing anything for my figure, but there we go. And then obviously with the two handles you can carry it like such. So thanks very much for watching my video on my Keepall 45. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my unboxing video of it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Thomas Talks Below, as I do plenty of these kind of videos. Also, if you've got any questions about the bag or comments, please comment below and I'll make sure I can answer them as quick as I can. Also stay tuned for this video, stay tuned for this channel even. I'm going to do another couple subsequent videos on this bag, so keep aware of that, and something that interests you. Just make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe. And thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Ciao.